Hi guys, welcome to shalusartistry. In today's video, we are going to see how to make a hair oil that will boost hair growth, will reduce hair fall, will prevent dandruff, and finally color your hair naturally. So let's see how to make it. To make this oil, we'll get all the materials either from our kitchen or from our garden. In case you don't get one or two, you can either skip it or get it from organic drugstore. Now let's start gathering all the materials.
First is hibiscus. You can use the fresh flowers or buy it in a dried form from organic drugstore. Next is sweet basil. It's mainly used for its rich scent and fatty acids. Bringraj is a miracle herb for all your hair problems. It has proteins, vitamins and antioxidants. Holy basil has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, calcium and omega-3 fatty acids. Henna has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. It's also a natural dye. Next is jasmine. I'm using it for the scent. Again, rose is also for scent. If you want, you can use both or you can use any one of these. Drumstick leaves have zinc, keratin and vitamin A and B. Aloe vera has fatty acids, folic acid, vitamins and anti-inflammatory properties. Fenugreek seeds have iron, protein, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. Small onions have antifungal and antibacterial properties. Curry leaves have antioxidants. Amla is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E and antioxidants. Coconut oil helps in nourishing your hair. It's a great moisturizer with vitamins and fatty acids. Black cumin seeds have antioxidants, anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. I've gathered all these ingredients from just one place, my auntie's house. So I dedicate this video to my aunt who has helped me to do this DIY oil. Use an iron pan for making this oil. I'm going to use 1 liter of coconut oil for this. If you're planning to make more or less of this quantity, adjust the amount of ingredients accordingly. While the oil is heating, let's make a green paste using all the greens. Let's start adding the ingredients to the boiling oil. I'm also using drumstick powder. You can use the leaves or powder it like this and use it. You can scrape amla like this and use it. For 1 liter of oil, add about 10 hibiscus flowers. Remove the skin and use the aloe vera gel alone. Add the green paste also. If you want to add castor oil, add it only while applying because adding this to boiling oil can lead to overflow. Let the bubbles reduce. Turn off the flame and let it cool naturally. Cover the pan only when the heat has gone completely and let it sit for at least 8 hours. I've left it for more than 8 hours. Now the oil has all the nutrients from the ingredients we have added. Preserve it only in glass jars. Let's filter it. Close the glass jar and keep it airtight.
Now our DIY hair oil is ready. store it in a glass jar and make sure there is no water inside, and don't touch it with your fingers also. If you store it in this way, it's going to last up to 2 months for you. Try it and see and leave your experience in the comment section. If you like this idea, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos.